Is Snap going to soar to $30? That is the question we are going to be answering in this video. So starting off with price targets from Wall Street, we can see that on the lower end, analysts at Wall Street believe Snap is going to be worth $9 in a year's time. However, on the higher end, some analysts believe that Snap is going to be worth around $16 in a year's time. So for Snap, the price targets generally seems to be towards the upside. If you're looking to invest, that's a good sign. And if you're looking to invest, one of the most critical things you want to consider is when you want to enter. So ideally, you want to be entering around support areas so that you enter when the price has a good chance of bouncing back up and you don't have to deal with further retracements. To figure out where good support levels are, we can use this Fibonacci retracement tool. So using this tool, if we go from this low here up to these highs, we can get some interesting insights. So the way this Fibonacci tool works is price generally likes to find support at these lines here. And usually this dark green area is known as the golden zone, and price likes to retrace down to this area before bouncing back up, and we can see that is exactly what Snap is doing. If you are looking to get into Snap at the moment, the good news is price has just retraced back down to test the golden zone again. So what are some prices you might want to consider getting in at? The first price is around the current price and is also the start of the golden zone. This is $10.64. The level below this is here, which is $10.08. If the price breaks this area, then the next level you might want to consider averaging down at is this level, which is $9.31. Investors using the Fibonacci retracement tool like to buy at the higher Fibonacci levels and average down at these lower Fibonacci levels if the price continues retracing. So that is the entry side of things. However, buying at a good price is only the first step. Something equally as important is your exit strategy, and we can get an exit strategy using the Fibonacci extension tool. Before we get into that, you might be wondering whether I am currently holding Snap or looking to invest, and the answer is I am not currently holding Snap. I did have a position in Snap around 2020 and I followed my exit strategy to get out of my position as the price went up, and I eventually ended up getting out of the entire position around 2021. Snap was initially put on my radar when I was reviewing trades made by US politicians. I saw that Snap was getting some attention, so I got in as well. Tracking trades made by US politicians has proven to be one of the most effective strategies that I've found, and it's one I continue to use to this day. I've put together a free guide that teaches how I do this, and it's available for free at my website. If you're interested, the link is in the description below. So coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to what we did with the retracement tool, going from this low here up to this high, but this time we pull it down to where this retracement has ended, which is here. And the way Fibonacci extension works is these levels act as resistance levels for the price, and some investors like to lock in some of their profits at these key Fibonacci levels. So let's have a look at what these levels are. So the first level, we might see some significant resistance, and where you might want to consider locking in some profits is around here, and this is $15. The level above that is $17.87. We can see that this level has acted as key resistance level in the past as well, so this level is a good one to monitor. The level above this is $22.51, and the final level here is $27.09. So these are the areas where we might see some significant resistance and where you might want to consider taking some profits. I'll be making update videos on Snap as we approach these key levels, so if you want to stay up to date, then feel free to click the subscribe button. And also, if you want to see the analysis of a specific stock, then feel free to leave those in the comment section below and I'll make a video around those. Also, if you could hit the like button, that would be very much appreciated. It will help the video reach more people who are interested in this type of content. And finally, a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you are interested in following politicians' trades, then the link to the free guide is in the description below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.